Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating pancake tutorial videos kung saan pag-usapan natin ang pancake POS. Ngayon is isisync naman natin ang iyong Facebook page sa loob ng POS. First, punta po kayo muna sa pos.pancake.ph, then get started with Facebook. Okay, and kapag may business manager kayo, pwede nyong i-connect. Also, dito po natin i-connect yung mga Facebook page natin. Okay, at kapag may Instagram account, pwede nyo din pong i-connect. Ito yung mga request ni Pancake na gusto niyang i-access. So, receive your email address, manage your product catalogs. Yan, para to sa bago nating feature ngayon. Product catalog. Manage ads for ad account that you have access to. Access your Facebook ads and related stuff. Manage your business. Access profile and post from the Instagram account connected to your page. Manage comment for the Instagram account connected to your page. Manage and access page conversation in Messenger. Access leads for your page. Manage and access messages for the Instagram account connected to your page. Log event on your page behalf and send those events to Facebook. Log event on your Instagram account behalf and send those events to Facebook. Create and manage content on your Facebook. Manage comment on your feed page. Read content posted on the page. Manage account setting and webhook for a page. Read users content on your page. If satisfied na kayo dito sa request ni Pancake, hit save lang po kayo. And got it. Ayan, ito na po yung mga shop or pages na na-connect ninyo sa POS. So, ayan. Pwede din po kayo mag-active shop dito kung may shop kayo na hindi pa link ng POS. Search mo lang dito yung link. Then activate shop, for example. So ayan. Nandito na si Miracles. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video and sa susunod ulit. Maraming salamat.